Welcome to my Grotto Beast card sleeving video. It's exactly what it sounds like. Today we're going to be putting my Grotto Beast card in sleeves. Oh, surprise visit from Lobert. Hello, Lobert. Anywho, he's going to be sitting back there supervising. So I just went to my local card and game store and I got, you know, your standard card sleeves for Magic Gathering, etc. Of course, I chose teal because Germa. And I've already gone ahead and sleeved one of my decks before I got the idea to do a little time lapse, but wow, look at that shuffle. I was shown how to do it properly. See, the key is to insert the cards from the corner. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy stuff. Ooh, teal. Wow. So here, I was shown how to move the sleeve properly for easy sleeving access, as you'll see. Whoop, it slides right in. My partner is a card game Andy, so he told me where to get the sleeves, and he showed me how to sleeve them and how to shuffle them, all that. Ooh, ah. Look at that spread. Haha, there we have my foil rummage rat. I'm very proud of him. Alright, there we have it, all sleeved up. Thanks for watching. Boo!